What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can upload longer videos on your Instagram story. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up your Instagram account. So after opening the account, you can see if I want to share this video, full 1 minute video to my story, add to story, this is not gonna work. The story will be 10 seconds long. The full story or full video will not be uploaded. So how you can upload full video or full reel to Instagram story, I'm going to show you. What you need to do, first you have to go to on your home page. After going to home page, you have to click on reel that you want to share to your story, or you have to select the file from your gallery to share it to a story. So the option is, only option is to download the reel and upload it to your story. To upload it longer, you can see I am going to add 1 minute video. This is a 1 minute video long. The I am going to upload this to my story. So if you upload it to from your gallery, you can upload it longer, or if you want to share it from your reel, you can't share longer videos on your Instagram story. So this is the only option guys, you have to download it and have to upload it from your gallery. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.